In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to existing notes in Obsidian so you can categorize and filter your entire vault with ease. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where your notes live. Once you're inside, head over to the File Explorer and click the existing note you want to tag. Now, click inside the note body and simply type a tag using the hash symbol followed by the tag name. For example, #project, #idea, or #meeting. Press the spacebar or continue typing your regular content, and the tag will be recognized immediately. You can add multiple tags in the same note, like #work, #urgent, #client. Just separate them with spaces and place them wherever they make sense. For structure, drop tags at the top of the note for quick organization, in the middle for context, or at the bottom as a summary. If you want a hierarchy, use nested tags by adding a slash like #project/web or #idea/content. For a cleaner, more structured approach, open the Properties panel in your note and add a field called Tags. Then enter your tags as plain text, one per line or separated by commas. For advanced users, you can add tags directly in YAML front matter at the very top of the note by typing 3 dashes, then tags : with a dash and space before each tag, like -work and -project. If you have many notes to update at once, select multiple notes in File Explorer and use a plugin like Bulk Rename or Metadata Menu to add or update tags across them all in one go. To see everything you've tagged, open the Tags pane, and you'll get a complete list of every tag used across your vault. Click any tag in that pane, and Obsidian will instantly filter and show you all notes containing it. You can also press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus F to open search, type a tag with the hash symbol, and view every matching note in seconds. Mix tags with wiki links for even more power. Just type #project followed by double brackets around a note name, like Client A. Common organizational systems include tags like #todo, #inprogress, #reference, and #idea, but avoid overusing them. Keep your tags simple and consistent. Don't create similar tags like work1 and work2, as it just creates clutter. Be careful when renaming a tag. Changing it in one note does not automatically update every other note. Use search and replace or a dedicated plugin if you need to rename across your vault. For power users, combine tags with search queries or the DataView plugin to build dashboards, like a view showing every #urgent task. To keep things clean, maintain a small, consistent tag list, maybe work, personal projects, and ideas, and stick to it. Periodically review unused or duplicate tags and clean up anything that no longer serves you. Your existing notes are now organized with tags, and you can filter, search, and manage your vault more efficiently across all your topics and projects. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.